Kitty Cat? The channel play. You can come and watch it. Or channel, you watching it too? Channel. What the heck happened? What does that say? What up, Jerome? Go eat your food, Jerome.
Episode 5.
This is episode 5? Already?
Hey, dude. Who do you think you're praying to, huh?
Where?
To God?
You can also see.
You think you made it out of there because of God, don't you? The reason you're still breathing and thinking that nice God of yours is that old man there. And that guy over there who came up with that awesome last minute trick. You know, if there's anybody that you should be thanking, it's them, not God.
You sad lost soul. Lord, we say about everybody who was nailed to the cross for our salvation today. They sacrificed themselves for us. We are your blood. I pray to the Lord on behalf of all us sinners. I gave thanks for their sacrifice. God made a decision to help our team win. That's why we're all here.
Bullshit. You killed those guys out there. Oh! Can we say some prayers where we all get to go to heaven? I should really pray too, if that's how easy it is. Our God who art in heaven, we worked as a team to send people to your side, and we sent a bunch of them today. And please help us have a whole lot more to be with you, and I hope that from now on... Me? Or you mean that guy? Okay, go on.
smell you back, I felt so powerful. Like, whoa, it works? Is this real? Hey, old man, how do you know that?
As a kid, I would always just.
Oh, you copied that one thing from that movie. What's it called? The guy dodges bullets like this, right?
Matrix.
Hey, when you got to Korea, is all you did watch movies? And our man. Everybody, 3 steps up when I signal. My God, I can't believe how cool that was.
Hey, real quick, I gotta tell you, I gotta talk to you in your ear.
Well, dude, you were the one who said no.
What kind of stickers you got?
You cried and said, but that's the edge. There's no way I would go. Like that?
Legals?
Hey, you got a visa? I bet you don't. You're an illegal alien. Hey, boys, how about it? Why keep this strange foreigner when we could just ditch him? Our team's no
Look,
good
Alonso,
at
look what I got.
Guess I better do some major restructuring while I'm here. Who's captain here, guys?
Huh.
Mr. Brains.
Hmm.
Captain, right?
There's no captain. We're all equal here.
That's great. Building an egalitarian society. Damn, guys. I gotta say, this is quite a change
Yeah,
from
it
that
tastes
huge asshole
good.
who just bosses you around.
What does this taste like?
Oh, about that, Grandma. Why did you get kidnapped?
Tastes like strawberry.
Grandma? Don't you ever call me that! Here. I'm Nino. Got it? Nino. That's my name. And I didn't get kicked out. I made the decision to go, alright? Those crazy thugs there? You can't lump me in with that crew.
They only got rid of you. Then they only wound up with male players. Right before the game, in fact. You know, it's almost like they knew about it ahead of time.
Players, bedtime will begin in 30 minutes. Please return to your assigned beds and prepare for light setup.
Another fight could break out like last night. We should make a plan. What can we do? Huh? We've got 3 girls, an old man, and us. Which team's the weakest one in here? We should choose a weak team and go after it first.
For a resident priest, sure are blessings.
Everybody's hands bloody. We're all sinners. But we're still here, aren't we? Attacking's our best option, so I think that's our plan.
During the fight last night, the man in the building in front of me got killed. And the person he thought was on his side broke his neck.
Chew on that.
Trust me then? I don't trust one person here.
All right. I think let's still do something before the lights go out.